Hey you all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and simple roux to make brown gravy. Here in the pan, well the skillet, I have some butter. I'm just going to melt that down with my avocado oil. Now you can use whatever oil that you choose, but I chose avocado oil. Now that butter is going to give it some delicious extra flavor, kind of make it kind of sticky. It's going to be real good. And now I'm just putting some flour on top of all of that, and I'm just going to whisk all of that together to get all of this very smooth. Now make for sure that you do whisk your flour and oil because you do not want a lumpy gravy. And at this time I'm just whisking it some more to get the color that I want. Now if this is the color that you want, stop here and add your water or your broth. And if this is the color that you want, go on ahead and add your water or your broth. But this is the color that I want because I'm going to be putting this upon a delicious roast. So now I'm just adding in some hot water. Now make for sure that if you're using water that it is hot. Do not use cold water because it will make it lumpy. And if you want to use broth, make for sure it's just room temperature and go ahead and pour that in and then just whisk it all together. Add as much liquid as you need, but not too much because you do not want a loose gravy. You want it to have some kind of stability, okay? Go on ahead and put some seasoning on that, whatever seasoning that you like, and just go on ahead and whisk that together as well. Doesn't that look good already, you guys? Ooh, wait till it get its thickness, right? I'm just going to put one of these cubes in here just to give it some extra flavor, y'all. You don't have to do this. You can season it well and not have to use this at all. But this does give it an extra Do you hear me? So I just whisk that all together, and now I'm just going to go on ahead and put it on top of this roast. And as it is cooking in the oven, it is going to get thick. The longer you cook it, the thicker it gets. Y'all have a good one. Goodbye.